What's up guys, it's Nolan here with Oakos Automotive, back with another exhaust install on the VB WRX. Today we're taking a look at the all-new Tomei ExpremeTi for the VB. This version in front of me happens to be the dual exit version, but they do have a single exit version as well, if you prefer that. Of course, being a Tomei exhaust, you get the nice high quality titanium construction, good welds throughout with the slip joints as opposed to a typical flange. Included in the packaging, you're gonna get the full hardware and gasket set, as well as the other miscellaneous things you need for a complete install. But I won't waste any more of your time yapping about it. We're gonna get the car up in the air, get that stock exhaust off so we can put this one on. What is it stuck on? Oh, nothing. All right, so we got the whole stock exhaust off now. We're gonna start by putting the Tomei Midpipe on. Luckily for the Midpipe flange here, they actually provide two different size gaskets as well as two different sets of hardware. The gasket just kind of comes into play with the factory donut flange. You're gonna wanna use the smaller one here. That's gonna get a tighter, not perfect seal, but a tighter seal around basically like this edge of the flange versus the full 3-inch one, which yeah, you could probably make it work if you were in a pinch, but long term it's gonna blow through that and start leaking. So good to see you get the correct size that we need. Then for the different hardware to use with the stock pipe as well, you get these smaller bolts here, or if you have an aftermarket pipe, potentially with larger holes, you get these. Both are gonna fit in the Tomei pipe. So good to see you got options included. You won't have to like run to the hardware store or anything like that while you're putting this on. So we like that. And of course, Tomei is gonna tell us too, it's that side up. Thanks. All right, so we spent some time playing with the adjustment of the tips in relation to the bumper and the hangers and this joint here. Pretty happy with where I got it to sit. So now we can proceed just with tightening down the band clamps and then adding our springs. All right, we're gonna do the springs now, the infamous rattling springs. As a new feature with this exhaust, I haven't seen this in the previous, Tomei actually includes this strip of silicone. So basically the logic here is you put this over the spring before you install it, cut it to length, and then you're gonna have a nice insulator of the spring so it won't rattle on the pipe. So funny enough, something that we've done in the past, and I believe we highlighted in the previous video, we would do the same thing here, but with heat shrink instead. So it is nice to see that you don't need to supply your own heat shrink now. Instead, you have the silicone tube. So that's cool. Now you can take your completed spring assembly here, put it on the other hook. Like that. And you have no rattle. Dude! Done with this part of the install, so we're gonna go ahead and get the car lowered down and start it up and play you some clips. But yeah, that's gonna do it for our install of the Tomei Catback on the VB WRX. Like I said before, there is a single tip version as well. If you prefer that, we'll have some links in the description for both options. But like always, you know, we got more videos coming, so click subscribe to see some more installs and stuff like that. Leave us a comment, let us know what you think of the exhaust, what you like, what you don't like, all that good stuff, and we'll see you in the next one.